Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change priority scheme in Jira. All right, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open up Jira website and sign into your account. Then you'll want to locate the Jira settings. To do this, head over to the top right corner, where you'll see the familiar cog icon. Clicking on this will open up a menu of options. Once you're there, find and select Work Items option from the available menu. This section is pivotal as it houses all the configurations related to issue types, workflows, and of course, priorities. When you're in the Issues section, look for the Priorities subsection. Under this, you'll find an option called Priority Schemes. Click on it. This will take you to a list of priority schemes that are currently defined within your Jira instance. Next, you'll need to pinpoint the priority scheme that's currently assigned to the project you're focusing on. Once you've identified the correct one, move over to the right side of the screen and click on three dots and choose the Edit option from the drop-down menu. This is where the real customization begins. In the Edit mode, you can modify the priority levels according to your project requirements. Whether you want to adjust the default priority, reorganize the existing order of priorities, or even remove a priority that's no longer needed, you have the flexibility to do so. Once you've made all the desired adjustments, it's time to save your changes. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the Save button. Clicking this will apply the modifications you've made to the priority scheme. And that's it. So that is how you can change priority scheme in Jira. So that's all for this video. Thanks.